everyone, welcome to our speaking test today. Now let's begin. What's your name?
My name is Nico.
Okay, and what is your favorite fruit?
My favorite food is noodle.
So what is the first step to make your favorite fruit?
First boil a water.
And your shoes are made in Italy, aren't they?
No, they aren't. My shoes is made in Vietnam.
Okay, made in Vietnam. So now look at the picture, Nico. Can you find 5 differences?
In the picture, there is a museum, but in the picture B, there is a hospital. In the picture A, there is a flag, but in the picture B, there is a flag. In the picture A, the man is go inside, but in the picture B, the man is go outside. In the picture A, there is a slide, but in the picture B, there is a river. In the picture A, there is the umbrella is closed, but in the picture B, the umbrella is open.
Very good. So now let's talk about your favorite fruit and how to make it.
Hello everyone, my name is Nico. I'm 10 years old. I'm in grade 5. Today I will talk about my favorite food. My favorite food is noodle. First, boil water. Next, put the noodle, eggs, and some sauces in the bowl. Then pour the hot water in the mixture. After that, take the lid and put it in the bowl. Finally, wait for 3 minutes and enjoy it.
Okay, very good. So that is the end of our speaking test, and bye-bye.
Bye bye.